Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to March 18th,
2026
on the Family Life Skills calendar. Today's activity is Science Experiment Fun, creating a rainbow at home and discovering the magic of science. Let's get started. Step 1. Fill a clear glass with water and place a small mirror inside at an angle. Step 2. Use a flashlight or place the glass near sunlight. Adjust the angle until a rainbow appears on a wall or paper. Step 3. Encourage kids to describe the colors. Explain how light bends or refracts to form a rainbow. Step 4. Add to the fun with activities like a baking soda volcano or dancing raisins in carbonated water. Step 5. Discuss questions like, how does light create a rainbow? And what should we explore next? To spark curiosity, let's see what you experienced and learned today. Curiosity, encouraging a love for discovery. Problem solving, learning through hands-on experiments. Celebrate science today and keep exploring. It's just the beginning of your journey into discovery. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.